There's a big focus on housing in this election, and rightly so. Let me tell you why a vote for Fianna Fáil is a vote for the only party with a comprehensive and realistic plan to deliver record levels of new homes in every county across Ireland over the next 5 years. 1. We will protect and extend support for first-time buyers. Sinn Féin wants to abolish these and leave first-time buyers €100,000 worse off. Under their plan, you won't even own the land the house is built on, and a couple with a joint income of over $90,000 a year wouldn't even qualify. 2. We will fund the Land Development Agency with an extra €4 billion, increasing its targets to 25,000 new homes by 2030. The LDA only existed on paper with Fine Gael. Sinn Féin wants to break it up and jeopardise the 14,000 new homes that are already in the pipeline. 3. We will invest €7.5 billion in water, electricity and town infrastructure to unlock more new sites for home building, allowing us to reach 60,000 new homes a year by 2030. 4. We will implement new planning laws and reforms to cut down on delays and accelerate home building. Sinn Féin oppose these reforms tooth and nail, but we in Fianna Fáil will implement them in full to bring certainty, to bring consistency and clarity to our planning system. 5. We will double the renter's tax credit to €2,000 per renter. Renters need support. We brought in the rent tax credit and we will double it if re-elected to government. We have got Ireland back building and we have a plan to do much more. Moving forward together. Vote Fianna Fáil.